keep the hoses up. But my last few helpers, they worked for other companies, and they were young guys too. But Ethan's the youngest I ever had. But the other guys, they work for some of the big name companies, and sometimes it's just hard to break those habits. So I said this year I'm going to start off fresh with a new helper. And like I said, Ethan has no knowledge of cleaning, carpet cleaning, so that's good. And also too, something we found out today, we're both left-handed, so hopefully that's a good sign. So hopefully you guys will be seeing him more in the videos. We're about to be into that busy season. Look at that, guys. Hey, Ethan, do me a favor. Tell Miss Springfield to come upstairs for a second. Yeah, nice clean cut kid. I had put an ad on Facebook under the job section on my company page. And his wife seen it, and he reached out to me the next day, and I didn't even know who it was until I called him. He said, "Hey man, this is Ethan." I said, "Ethan? Ethan who?" He said, "The guy you carpet clean. Actually, you did our carpet clean 3 days ago." Hey, Miss Springfield, now you be careful going back down, but I want you to do is come look at these carpets, see how they're coming out.
Oh, they look good.
Look at that.
That is amazing.
That's amazing?
Yes.
You see the difference?
Yes, I do. Very much so. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
How long does it take these to dry?
It's going to take about 3 to 4 hours. What I'm doing now is doing what we call dry passes. That's removing any excess moisture. And once I'm done with this room, Ethan is going to take that big air mover, and he's going to put that in the room to speed up the dry time. Okay. But I see you looking up, so we're going to turn the ceiling fans on, and that will also help speed up the dry time.
Okay, yeah, because well, we're getting our truck at 8 in the morning. We probably won't be over here until later.
Yeah, later today or tomorrow?
No, tomorrow.
Oh, the carpets will be fully dry by tomorrow.
Okay, good, yeah. Because like I said, we get the truck at 8. So you haven't done that part yet?
No, ma'am, have not done that part yet.
Oh, yeah, that was so much better.
You see that?
Oh, yeah.
See, that's why we came highly recommended.
Yes. I saw your video. I watched your video on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. I looked at it.
Yeah, sometimes seeing is believing.
Yeah.
Now you be careful going down. Your feet, you hold on to that rail. All right, guys. So this is kind of showing you guys the cleaning, because a lot of my followers like to see the cleaning. Show you guys my new assistants, Ethan, and then also too showing off my new camera that I love so much. So again, guys, if you're interested in this camera, it's called the DJI Gizmo or something like that. You'll see it on YouTube. A lot of videos about it. I got a few accessories coming with it that I had to order. A little Bluetooth kick stand. So I can't wait to try that out. And actually too, with this camera, you can shoot up in 4K too. So that's pretty awesome. But right now, I just got it set in 1080p. Most people have 1080p. And you can actually set the frame rate. So I might set it back to 30. 50 might just be too realistic. So I might set it back to 30 frames per second. All right, YouTube, you guys take care. See you in the next one.